Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find your save game files and config file for EA Sports FC26 on PC. Whether you want to back up your progress, transfer your saves to another PC, or tweak your game settings manually, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open any folder on your PC and go to your C drive. From there, open the Users folder and click on your username folder. Now, you'll need to access the AppData folder. If you don't see it, click the View tab at the top, select Show, and then check Hidden Items. Once AppData is visible, open it, then go to the local folder and find the folder named EA Sports FC26. This is where all your save game files are stored, so make sure you remember this path if you plan to back up or move your saves. Next, to find your config file, stay in the same EA Sports FC26 folder and look for a file called FC Setup. Double-click it to view your game configuration settings, like graphics options and more. You can also open the FC Setup folder itself to access additional configuration data if needed. And that's all there is to it. EA Sports FC26. Where are the save game files and config file located on PC? Tutorial. Now you know exactly where to locate both your save files and config file for EA Sports FC26 on PC. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need to back up their game. Why not make their day a little easier?